At Champion, we make the process of adding a custom-built sunroom to your home easy. A knowledgeable Sunroom Expert shows up to your home promptly at the start of your scheduled in-home estimate. They'll be wearing a Champion shirt and name tag while carrying a couple of sample products to explain all your options. The start of your appointment will be the assessment of your home, going over all your options for sunroom placement and understanding the features and benefits you're looking for in a new sunroom. Then, your representative will share a little bit of information about Champion with you and a demonstration of our superior quality products. After showcasing the features and functionality of our sunrooms, your representative will go over all of our available styles, colors, and customizable options for your new Champion sunroom. Everything Champion offers is of the highest quality, durability, and style, backed by our exclusive warranty. Once you decide on your sunroom options, you'll get an estimate for your entire project on the spot. That's one all-inclusive price. Product installation and warranty included with no hidden fees. If you'd like, we can even provide attractive financing options on approved credit. The entire process takes about 60 minutes for your in-home consultation. Timing may vary depending on the scope of your project. Your Champion representative will inform you of our quality products, design a project specific to your family and your home's needs, and answer any questions you may have. We look forward to meeting with you.